Yes, sir.
Oh, he does. Dang right, got the drag going and everything. I hear it. Oh yeah, look at that one.
That's a big one.
That's a good. Look at that one, Scotty.
Damn, was that rainbow?
Nah,
No, it's brown.
it's a brown trout.
Yes, sir. First fish.
Yup.
Look at Braden go.
I don't think they're biting here, Daddy.
What?
As we're holding the fish.
Exactly.
Got one, got one, got one.
Hey!
You got one?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. Oh, they're not biting here. That's what Carter says.
Carter, I think I just go back up there and eat Twinkies.
Here, hold him. Hold him. Hey, I want y'all to take pictures together. Hold him gripping.
All right, guys, look at that thing. It's a nice brown trout.
All right, hold on. Come over here by your brother. Don't get your reel in the water because it'll be...
There we go, guys. Caught a little one. Little brown trout.
Get over here.
Just grab him real quick. Show the camera.
Schoolboy fishing.
Well, quick release, guys.
Yeah, they're not really.
Scott, we're doubled up over here. Where you at?
There we go, guys. Bringing it in.
Here, let's take a picture together.
Hold on, I gotta show them people. See, guys, got another brown trout right here. All right.
Huh.
Let me see. Wait, I've caught all the bass now. I've caught all the fish now.
What do you mean?
I've caught the creek chum.
Oh, you cut.
I've caught a
well.
rainbow and a brown.
Bullshit. I'm about to go in there and towel. Yeah, it ain't working that well,
All right, Brendan, get away from him.
I can't.
You can slide off to the side. You good? I'm gonna take this damn bobber off. Watch this. Everybody. What? I don't know. I just can't carry her. I have better luck without the bobbers. Hey, look at him! Follow me. No, you can. How far you think you can throw?
There we go.
That one?
Yeah. Oh my.
Whoa, hey! Did that back?
No, it's a trout.
Oh, did it real?
It's a big trout. Well, there we go. He got off. There we go. Oh my. Got a little brim.
Good job, Brandon. What is that?
It's a brim.
You Lawson, you want the film?
There we go.
Ready, you got one?
Yep.
Here, come and get it.
That's a bigger one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Mm.
Let me hook him. That is a good one.
That's a good one, isn't it?
You guys see that?
Hold on, Brady.
It's a big old trout.
Now he's muddy.
There we go, guys. Yep.
That's a dang good one.
Oh, guys, it's another good one. It's another brown trout.
Hey, Brent, I went to tie that pink one on. Back on, I dropped the damn thing in the water.
Did you? And that makes 10 for me, guys. There we go.
Fish on.
Fish on, guys. It's another trout. Oh, it came off right there.
There you go.
There we go, guys. Nice bass.
What? Oh,
Caught a bass. Caught a bass.
got a little bad.